Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Ford Taurus versus Nissan Altima. Begin by testing acceleration, throttle response, and how each car behaves in traffic and on the highway. Note horsepower figures, transmission feel, and optional driving modes to match your style. I will describe real driving impressions, towing or payload relevance if applicable, and how performance differences affect daily commuting and long trips in practical terms. In this video, I will compare Ford Taurus versus Nissan Altima. Check combined MPG ratings and real-world fuel consumption for city and highway driving when comparing costs. I will explain how engine tuning, weight, and transmission gearing influence your refill frequency and monthly fuel budget. Compare estimated annual fuel spend under your driving habits, and I will point out when the efficiency gap justifies choosing one model over the other for savings. In this video, I will compare Ford Taurus versus Nissan Altima. Quick recommendation: try leak-proof meal prep containers to keep your trunk and backseat tidy during commutes and road trips, and they make packing lunches painless. They stack neatly, seal tightly, and save time on busy mornings. If you want one, check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will compare Ford Taurus versus Nissan Altima. Inspect cabin ergonomics, material quality, passenger legroom, and trunk practicality for your lifestyle needs. I'll walk through standard and optional safety systems, infotainment ease of use, and visibility factors that affect driver confidence. Pay attention to seating comfort on long drives and cargo flexibility, and I will suggest which layout suits commuters, families, or weekend road trippers for practical ownership.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.